Took this piece out of my Navigator. Took this piece out. And I took this out. Never ever seen what this thing looks like. And holy God. You guys see all that? Yeah. Can you believe that we've never taken this off? Like residual glass from when this window broke. Wow. I've never knew those came off. I'm gonna leave these off because that has still a greasy residue. This has some nasty shit and some broken plastic. But I can still drive it like that. It's not gonna affect the way it drives. So yeah, I wanna spray that with a water hose and see if I can get that shit off. But you got spider webs right there. And I just happen to see all this dirt. I'm like, this comes off, that comes off, and holy cow, I'm glad I did that. Look at all that. You got rust and shit, corrosion. Look at all that rust. This right here is probably from it sitting in the inside the building it did since 2012 with the windows down. That's probably where this rust was from. But wow. It's bad, guys. So, yep, I got some work to do, so I'm going to get this vacuumed up and everything, and I'll get back with you guys. Some of you folks will like this. It's hard to see, but you see all that? That is glass. That is glass from this back window. So, I figured I'll do a little video of the glass going to the vacuum, because that is a very satisfying sound, and I know there's a lot of people that like it. So more buried back there too. Found more. Oh, wow. I didn't realize this thing was that bad. That could be part of the stink. Huh. It already looks a lot better. Dead bug right there. Bunch of crap going on back here. Rust. Man. That's crazy. I'll definitely be leaving that off. I can't believe, holy shit, that's crazy. I just wonder how long that has been like that. It's probably never been touched. I have a feeling. I am going to set all this stuff in here, and that way it doesn't get lost. Because you guys know me. I have a tendency to misplace everything. So I may not even get to the outside of the windows. Actually, I may just go ahead and do the windows. Do the dash. Finish vacuuming the third row. But back here, I want to leave open. So I'm gonna hose that first, do that. And that I don't know if I'll do that. I might just hose it off or something, but that's crazy. And I bet if I put some slick mist back here, it'll smell a lot better. Man, it's still really bad, but you guys know it's a lot better. So I gotta do some thinking. since it's 4:50, I don't think I'll do any more of this tonight. So for now, this thing can go back here. This needs to air out. Alright. I could put all the other stuff in here, just I won't put those back on or whatever. Yeah, there's no need to put that on all the way. This I need to give back to my dad because we don't need this anymore because my dad put a 7-way in this thing quite a while ago. And the hitch pin, I don't know if any of you are curious about this hitch pin, but you can get these from TSC for about 20 bucks. Maybe more than that, but they're really good. They're really good. Got that in my black truck. My dad has that in the blue truck. Pretty much almost every vehicle he's got with a tow hitch. So, yeah, I'm just going to leave this open tonight. Put the back, I'll put the 3rd row seats back up. I can at least finish vacuuming the 2nd row. I know I said that was the 3rd row, but that's not. This is 3rd row. And yeah, just leave all this stuff open. So yeah, I'm gonna finish vacuuming it, then I don't know if I'll get to the windows. I did the inside of the windows already yesterday. I think I'll just wait to do the inside of the windows. I'll just do the dash. Finish vacuuming it out, then I'll do the dash, get the mats in, then because I don't want it to get dark like it did when I was doing that. So this will be a few day detail. As you guys can see, the back brakes are finally on. Got those done. Stops really well. You guys know I bought rotors and pads for it in the summer of 25. So they weren't that hard to change. And of course I finally washed all the salt off of it today. So now it's finally clean. But yeah, the core support needs to be gone through because that sucker is like completely gone almost. So yep, gotta definitely get a plan for this thing. I'm not gonna get rid of it, but I'd like to make it nice because I want to road trip this thing more. Get the engine, to get the timing stuff fixed in the engine, but you know, heater core is my biggest concern still. Still got to do that. Get the 20-inch wheels on there, but I still have to buy tires. But I have a plan for these wheels in the future. So, not for a while, but in the future. Because these are still cool looking wheels. This thing's not in perfect shape. I'd like to get a new door. Get that piece changed, but it's riveted in. So, yeah, this thing's been through the ringer since 2017. Like late 2017 is when this thing's seen it all. So I'm just glad to be driving it myself now. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna get out of here, guys, because the more I talk, the less I'll get done, and the later it's getting. So yep, gonna get this clean. And I'll do this because there's some nasty shit on that too. But okay, I'll see you guys. I'll update you guys tomorrow in this when I actually get more of this cleaned. I'd like to. It's not going to be spot free. I can tell you that right now. It's still going to be it's not going to be perfect at all. But I at least want to get it smelling better back here. So okay, that's it.